How about making a candle from lots of tea lights you're flying around that don't work anymore? I took a candle out of the cupboard the other day and I realized I have loads of tea lights where the wick has broken off from. Ones are burnt really weird or where you just can't light anymore. I was thinking maybe I can use that wax to make something new. So besides the tea lights that you're going to reuse, you also need an empty toilet roll holder like this one, a clothes peg and a wick. This one is one I have left over from a craft from ages ago, but you could use a wick from a tea light you don't use anymore. Oh, and a piece of greaseproof paper. So first we're going to cut up the tea lights. Now I'm going to slowly melt these and I'm doing that over a pot of hot water. While that is melting, let's prep the mold or the toilet roll holder. To make your mold, you're going to put a piece of greaseproof paper on the flat surface. Your toilet roll holder is going to be the mold for the new candle. And your wick is going to be held in place by your clothes peg. Also dip in your wick so that can stick to the base. And then keep it in place with your clothes peg. So that has completely melted now. Carefully take that out. So now we need to get the warm candle wax into the holder without making too much of a mess. It's coming out a little bit, but not in the same speed as I'm pouring it in, so I think that is all okay. I think that's the last one. So now we wait for it to set. So I let the candle dry overnight, so now it's time to peel away the carton and see if my idea actually worked. And let's get rid of that. And then what you're going to do, you're just going to peel this open. There you have a candle. So that worked really well. Yeah, let's trim this a little bit. Oops, trimmed a little bit too much. So this looks lovely, it's a beautiful white candle, but I think it could be more fun if we decorate it. And you can decorate candles with crayons. And as we do love our arts in this house, we have lots of crayons here. So I'm just going to cut one up and melt it in my little burner here. You can melt it the same way we melted the candle wax, just over the stove. But as it's a tiny bit, I think it could be quite nice to melt it in my little incense burner. Let's put a little bit of aluminium foil in there to protect the burner. Let's light the candle. That can start warming up. And then let's choose which colors. I think we should go for greens in my house. Maybe 3 colors, could be nice. I'm gonna start with the lightest color. I'm just gonna scrape tiny bits off the wax and pop it in a burner to be made. That's liquid already, that literally took 1 minute. Take a paintbrush that you don't mind having to throw away after this. And then I'm gonna try, I'm just gonna dip it in here and paint something on. Then I'm done with this color, so I'm gonna move on to the next color. And that is my little candle finished. I really hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today. It's so nice to be able to make things from items you already had in your home. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and have a look at my whole back catalogue of videos here on Handmade Home. I do small projects like this one, IKEA hacks, upcycles, and sometimes big builds and garden stuff as well. I really hope to see you back soon here on Handmade Home.